Lose weight naturally with lemon and honey. Losing weight is a goal that many individuals aspire to achieve, and while there are numerous diets and weight loss supplements available, the desire for natural and holistic approaches remains strong. One such method gaining popularity is the combination of lemon and honey, a dynamic duo that is believed to contribute to weight loss in a natural and healthy way. Lemons are renowned for their high vitamin C content, antioxidants, and alkalizing properties. These citrus fruits are low in calories but rich in nutrients, making them an excellent addition to a weight loss regimen. The citric acid in lemons aids in digestion and can help flush toxins out of the body. Additionally, the high fiber content in lemons promotes a feeling of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Honey, on the other hand, is a natural sweetener that has been used for centuries for its medicinal properties. It contains antioxidants and various beneficial compounds that may contribute to overall health. Honey's natural sweetness can satisfy sugar cravings without the negative effects of refined sugars. Moreover, it has a lower glycemic index, which means it has a milder impact on blood sugar levels. When lemon and honey are combined, they create a powerful elixir that can be easily incorporated into a daily routine. Here's a simple recipe to make the concoction. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of raw, organic honey, 1 cup of warm water. Instructions: squeeze fresh lemon juice into a cup. Add a tablespoon of raw honey. Pour warm water into the cup. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the honey dissolves. Consuming this mixture on an empty stomach in the morning is often recommended. The warm water helps kickstart the metabolism, while the lemon and honey provide a burst of nutrients. Some proponents of this natural weight loss remedy suggest drinking it throughout the day, especially before meals, to help control appetite. It's important to note that while lemon and honey may offer potential benefits for weight loss, they should be viewed as part of a comprehensive approach that includes a balanced diet and regular physical activity. There is no magical solution to weight loss, and individual results may vary.